There was two sisters came walking down the street. Oh, the wind and rain. One behind pushed the other one in, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Johnny gave the youngest a gay gold ring. Oh, the wind and rain. Didn't give the youngest one anything, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Well, they pushed her in the river to drown. Oh, the wind and rain. Watched her as she floated down, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Well, she floated till she came to a miller's pond. Oh, the wind and rain. Mother dear, father there swims a swan, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Miller fished her out with a fishing hook. Oh, the wind and rain. Drew that fair maid from the brook, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Out of the woods come a fiddler fair. Oh, the wind and rain. Took 30 strands of her long yellow hair, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Well, he made a fiddle bow of her long yellow hair. Oh, the wind and rain. Made a fiddle bow of her long yellow hair, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he made fiddle pegs of her long finger bones. Oh, the wind and rain. Made fiddle pegs of her long finger bones, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he made a little fiddle of her little breastbone. Oh, the wind and rain. Sound could melt the heart of stone, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Now the only tune that fiddle would play